Hi lovelies, so in today's video I'm going to prepare a hospital bag for the baby, and you can see that I've chosen this backpack style bag, and it has a light blue color with a huge storage capacity. The front pocket is for the feeding bottles and other stuff, and the big pocket is for the big things. And there is a little pocket at the back as well. So first I'm going to choose any two-faced towel. I'm going to fold it properly, and then I'm going to put it in the plastic zipper bag. Make sure that towels are extra soft for newborn sensitive skin, and I have also labeled it. Now first I'm going to open up the front compartment of this bag and put the things which I need to put at the front. So first I'm going to put the small size feeder at the front. And this bag has 3 pockets for the feeding bottle, so you can put the 3 feeding bottle at the same time. Next we got 2 medicated changing pads because initially the baby do the very thin motion and we don't want to spoil our neat changing sheets, so these are good for the hospital bag. These are 60 by 90 centimeters, so they are quite big, and you can turn it into 2 halves as well. So I'm going to put it in the zipper bag and label it as well. So plastic zipper bag and sticky notes are quite helpful in organization. Next I have chosen this rainbow pattern swaddle sheet along with the cap, and the other one has a dolphin pattern. I have chosen this rainbow pattern swaddle sheet for the newborn photos because I think this looks so cute. And the blue dolphin pattern swaddle sheet matches with most of his outfits, so that will be also great. So I think 2 swaddle sheet will be enough. For clothes and swaddle sheet you need a big zipper bag, so you have to make sure that you got the zipper bag in 3 different sizes. Next I'm going to choose any color from the sticky note pad. Long sticky notes are not sticky enough, so what you need to do, you have to label it or write the name with a permanent marker, and later on you have to secure it with the transparent tape. Transparent bags are see-through, so you can easily see your things from outside the bag, and inside the bag they are also organized. In this way they will not mix up or mess up with each other, and you can find your things within the minutes. And you also need the transparent tape and scissor for this organization process. In this plastic zipper bag I'm going to put the bath kit of the baby. I got the small size specially for the hospital bag, so that in hospital if organic and expensive stuff do not get lost. According to my opinion, the basic bath essential would be the baby shampoo, soap, lotion for moisturization and powder. As you know that the hospital management give bath to the newborn, so I will provide them these things and they can give the bath to the new baby. After putting all the products, I'm going to seal this zipper as well. And later on I'm also going to label it so that I can easily find out or figure it out from the baby bag. Again I'm going to secure it with the help of tape so that it remain intact at its position. First I'm going to put this button down outfit. I'm putting this because of the embryonic cord, and secondly I'm going to put the romper. It's also in light blue color. Later on I realized that I should also put one outfit in which I have to bring the baby at home, so later on I choose one more outfit. Jibran Tauji has got this from England. It has a whole set. It has a bib, it has a voices, it has a romper, it has a cap and mittens as well. It has a white base and it has a silver glittery animal pattern over it. For bringing the baby home, I took out the romper and cap from this set. The weather will be normal by that time, so this will be great for the baby. Now I will also took out the matching cap from the set as well. I'm also going to put 2 sets of cap, mittens and booties for the baby in case if needed. So here most of the things are organized: clothes, swaddle sheet, his bath kit and changing sheet and a face towel as well. Now I have make a pile and now I put all these things one by one in the bag. First I'm going to put the big things. First I put the clothes, then swaddle sheet, and then I will put medicated changing sheet. Then I will put the bath kit of the baby, and then I will put the face towel, set of cap, mittens and booties. And you can see that a lot of space is left, but we have to put more things in it as well. So for front pocket I'm going to put the one burp clothes and 2 sets of bibs in the front, and it also has one mitten and socks as well. Again we are going to label it so that we know that this zipper bag contains these things, and later on we also arrange the towel. Now I'm going to put all the feeding essential at the front compartment. And I'm also going to put the big towel of the baby in the big pocket. I'm also going to put the rash cream for the baby in case I need it. Next essential are the baby wipes. So I have chosen Johnson Company's baby wipes. It has a plastic opening so that it will last for more time. So I'm going to put the whole packet in the bag. And the last things are pampers. So first we have choose this pamper company. Now I'm going to take 5 or 6 pampers for the hospital bag. I don't think we need more than this. If we need it, then my husband can bring it from home. I'm also going to put these 5 or 6 pampers in the zipper bag, and again I'm going to label this as well for my convenience, obviously. Then I'm going to secure it with the tape as I have did to the previous packets. After putting these pamper, my baby bag is fully prepared. The only 2 things which are left are extra zipper bag for the dirty diapers and the carry nest, which cannot come in this bag and we have to carry it separately. Hope you have enjoyed the packing of the hospital bag for the baby, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.